Hello dear Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading, that's already uploaded on my channel. Click on the video section and you will find your reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin what's happening in your second week. In your love life, you've got the Neophyte and the Death card. I feel that there has been a no contact or separation situation which is causing a lot of overthinking for you guys. If you are expecting for a change in this situation to get out of this situation, that is going to come and happen in the second week. I do see a change, a shift in your situation right now. So if you're looking for a reconciliation, that's very much possible. If you're looking to move forward, move on from a particular person, that is also possible. There is a big shift, a big change, a big transformation that is coming in your life. If you have been stuck or you have given hope that I'll never get married, I'll never find the right partner, or you have become very negative, you will see that a positive transformation will happen in the second week. Your life will change for the better and you will not even recognize yourself anymore. Maybe you are also changing as a person, working out a little more, looking different, feeling positive. So all that kind of positive change that you have been waiting for till now will happen in the second week. So expect a reconciliation, expect a new beginning. If you were single, you will be in a relationship. If you were in a relationship, you will be married. And if you were married and you were waiting for kids to happen, you could get that kind of change. Also, some sort of pregnancy news will be coming your way, or an actual delivery, and you will have children. So it is a beautiful kind of change and transformation that is happening in the second week. Let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Two of Stars and the Prince card. Well, I do see that some of you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon Rising, or you could have a Libra Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. I do see a female influence in your life. It could be a friend, family member, mother, sister, spouse, partner, girlfriend, who's helping you with your career. Maybe they are guiding you, maybe you are taking their advice in some way, maybe you trust this person a lot, maybe they are investing in your business, maybe you are in a business with them, or they're helping you find a job. Some sort of help, some sort of guidance is coming from a female. I can see that. And this will be like a new start to your life. A new venture is beginning. So I do see that if some of you are planning to start your own business or want to make a change in your current circumstances, maybe leave a job, go for higher studies, I feel that you will be getting a lot of help from a person and you will be able to make those changes in your career as well. Some sort of new venture you are on, whether that's going abroad, leaving a job, or finding a new job, starting a new business, some sort of newness is there in your chart. I also see that this change will actually bring you on a very high position, a position of the prince, right? Even if you are a female watching this, the position of the prince is something where you will not just get a lot of money and a good position, but you will also get a lot of power and respect as well. So people will see you with a lot of respect. Their behavior towards you will change. You will be placed in a position you have never been before. So this will automatically be the kind of change you have been hoping for. I also see that this change, this power, this position, this money is not changing your attitude. You are becoming or focusing more on gratitude rather than becoming stubborn and having that attitude, right, about yourself, which is a good thing, Aries. So I do see the more success you get into your life, the more kinder you become towards other people. So if you are an employer, you will be kind towards your employees. You will have a lot of people to work around you or under you. So that is a very good, that is a kind of position that is waiting for you, that is coming towards you in the second week. So if I look at your overall week, Aries, I think it's fabulous. Major changes, major transformation happening in your life, and that is becoming uh, like the trend for you, right? Not just in your love life, but also in your work life as well. So it is going to be beautiful for you the second week. If you guys resonated with my reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you would like to book any reading or ritual, I do readings, personal readings and rituals as well in various formats and in various budgets which are very very cheap, and rituals which are very very easy. So contact me on my email ID, which is asthasharma842 at gmail.com, or you can Instagram DM me as well at the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all my details, all the changes in the prices, new services, discounts that are going on over there, right? All these things are mentioned in my description box and in my bio. So check it out, book a reading, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.